This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or off the camera on your MSI laptop. So I'm just going to type in the camera to open up the application right here. And now I want to go on over to the FN key. You can see the FN key, and then there should be an F key with the camera icon on it. So mine is on, I believe it's F6. So I can press the F key, F6, and this is going to turn off my camera. So we have to turn it on the keyboard, otherwise it's not going to work. So you can see now it's turned on, indicated by this light. I can close this down and then reopen it. Let's go back to the camera application, and it should be on now, working. Otherwise I have to switch on over the input source from my capture card. But hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more tech videos. Come on next on Your Six Studios.